Good afternoon, everybody. Coach Ethan Cubit, Ironclad CrossFit, Easton, Maryland, coming to you this afternoon from my family room, or room number 2 that my daughter loves to destroy. Going to be going over lesson 6, lesson planning part 2. Planning for a 2 workout class. My timeline's here from 0 to 60, working from the outside in. I gave myself 3 minutes for the whiteboard brief, nice and short. 7 minutes for the cool down here. 10 minutes for a general warm-up, 12 minutes for WOD number 1, 5 minutes for cleaning up and prepping for WOD number 2, 5 minutes here for practicing and getting some practice rounds in for WOD number 2, 18 minutes for the second workout, and then again 7 minutes for the cool down here. So to get into specificities of this, my general warm-up, I would make it a partner warm-up with partner number 1 doing a 100-meter jog, getting warmed up for the run, while partner number 2 is going through the snatch warm-up and snatch progressions for the dumbbells. When partner number 1 gets back from the run, they'll rotate, then you'll have partner number 2 going out on the run, and then partner number 1 going through the dumbbell snatch progressions. I'd work through that for about 10 minutes. That way, by the time they get to WOD number 2, that will not be the first time that they've picked up a dumbbell for the workout. So for workout number 1, we have a 4x7 for back squats, 4 rounds of 7 reps. I would write this as every 2 minutes, you're doing 7 reps, which makes it about an 8-minute workout. I gave myself 12 minutes to give myself 4 minutes to go through progressions and build to the starting weight. I'd let my athletes know you're looking for about a moderate weight here. This is not very heavy, but it's not super light. You're looking at a moderate weight. And then inside those 2-minute rounds, I'm looking, hopefully they'll get that done in about 30 seconds to give themselves 90 seconds to either rest if they are staying at that weight for the day, or build in weight if need be, if you have some stronger athletes. After this is done, I gave myself 5 minutes to clean up from WOD number 1 and prep for WOD number 2, change plates, get the squat racks cleared out, get the dumbbells out. And then from there, the next set of 5 minutes, I'd like to get my athletes into some practice rounds for WOD number 2 to get their body ready to go. And then for WOD number 2, we have a 100-meter run, and then 10 alternating dumbbell snatches at 50 pounds for the men and 35 pounds for the women. This 100-meter run, you're looking at 45 seconds or less. Same thing with the 10 alternating dumbbell snatches, you're looking at 45 seconds or less, which gives you about 90 seconds per round, which gives you about 15 minutes. You'll certainly have athletes, though, who'll be able to do a 100-meter run in 30 seconds and then 10 alternating dumbbell snatches in 30 seconds, which gives you about a minute per round, which gives you that 10 minutes. So that's where you get your 10 to 15-minute stimulus. And then after WOD number 2, I gave myself 7 minutes for the cool down, clean up, stretch. And that's how I would run this particular class for these 2 different workouts. Let me know how I did.